Bonjour. Bonjour.
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello, hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch the trailer of La Casa de Papel, Moneyist in English. The season 5. That's it! We are at the season 5, the first part of the season 5. You know it, I think that you know it, that the season 5 is gonna be divided in two parts. One which is gonna be out at the beginning of September and one which is gonna be out during December, if I'm remembering that correctly. So that's it, trailer of the first part of the season 5. I didn't react to the teaser. You were some to ask me to react to it. I didn't because it was really short and I knew that we wouldn't have any information during it, so it was not interesting to make a reaction video. I'm making reaction videos to talk about the shows that I love, to make series, to have things to say about them, you know, so it was too short for me. The trailer, it can be more interesting. I saw that it's almost 2 minutes, you know, that trailer, so it can be interesting. I don't know if I'm gonna post this video or not. I don't know, it's gonna depend on if it's interesting or not, if we have some information during it or not. I'm glad, excited to discover that trailer. I'm not melancholic or sad. You know me, I know that some of you are there just because you remember that girl who is French, who is watching the show in the original version in Spanish with French subtitles, but who is reacting in English. And also because I'm crying a lot, I'm an emotional person. I know you, I see you, you are there for that. I can't blame you for that, but don't expect tears today, you know. You know me, if they are showing Berlin or Nairobi, I'm gonna... maybe not, but you know, because of the fact that I'm excited, my emotions are already high, they can get me really quick just by showing me Nairobi or Berlin. I'm not gonna make series right now about what is gonna happen during the trailer. I'm gonna watch it. I don't know if on YouTube I'm gonna be able to put all of my reaction of the trailer. Maybe I'm gonna be forced to cut into it for copyright reasons. I'm gonna put everything on my Patreon. If you can be interested by that, go check the description. If you didn't watch the trailer on your own, you have the link on the description. Go watch it and then come back to watch it again with me so we can talk about it together. I'm so excited. I can't do it with that hand, you know, because of that thing on my finger. If you don't know what it is, go watch my other reaction videos or my Twitter and all. I explain that a lot and we are not there for that today. See, I'm too excited, I'm speaking too much and with a louder accent than usually. Even me, I can hear it. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. What I expect for that final season, for No One to Die, for El Professor and Lisbon to be together at the end. I'm doing that because I think that one of them is gonna die. I'm gonna come back to that during the review. And I hope that this rumor, you know, some fans, they have that theory about the fact that Tokyo is saying all of that story because she's the only one alive at the end. No, I won't accept that at all. All of them, they deserve to be alive, to be at peace, to have a good life. Are you ready? Am I ready? Not sure. Why do I have the wedding song, you know, into my head right now? It's for you, Berlin. Yes, it's with English subtitles. Okay, we're gonna watch this version. Oh, is it in good quality? I'm gonna watch it 2 times. One time without any break and one time with breaks, you know. Let's go.
Cuando llevas 100 horas encerrada, has estado encadenada a punto de morir y has perdido a tu mejor amiga, esas 100 horas te parecen 100 años. Timothy.
That song
Hola, Lisboa.
El estante de tormentas ha sido descubierto. Es posible que esta sea la última vez que hable con vosotros.
Not at all.
Capitán, voy a llamar militares. De los que solo
You're
son
not working with
militares.
the girl anymore, no.
¿Qué pediste de ella?
Sin plan,
You're sweet.
sin esperanza. Estamos contra las cuerdas. Pero todavía no estamos muertos.
So he was not dead, that fucking asshole.
Estamos dándole a fuerza. ¡Ahora! Somos los auténticos lanzadores.
Wait. It was someone else. It was in Italian, no? No tears today. No tears today. It's just a trailer. No tears. No tears today. Do you think that it's the trailer of the part 1 or really the entire season and they already showed us pictures from the part 2? I don't think so. I think that it's only the part 1, which is already a lot, which is already, a lot of different scenes and also a lot of different informations and a lot of actions. They wouldn't, show us, I don't think so, stuff from the part 2, which is gonna be out only on December. So it's only images from the part 1. It's so much and so many actions, moments of action. Oi. I need to watch that again. I'm sorry for the quality of it, but to have it, with original language and English subtitles, I'm forced to watch it like that. Blame Twitter for that.
Cuando llegas,
400 hours, yes, they are into that place, now for a long time. Already how many seasons? And they're gonna stay right there for one more season. Or maybe not, maybe the first part of the season, it's gonna be them going out of it, and the second part of the season, them finding a way to survive, to have a place to be fine, to not be searched anymore. Do you understand what I mean? Almost like in Prison Break. The first season it was to get out of the prison, and the second season it was to survive, to find gold and all of that. Hey, okay, we're not there for Prison Break.
y has perdido a tu mejor amiga.
How can you? How can you? No, stop.
Esas 100 horas te parecen 100 años.
We already saw that.
Mate.
I don't remember that she punched him like that. And yes, I saw that other little teaser, with her taking El Professor like that, like she had him as a slave almost. I saw that. We know that the girl is crazy, but we know also that she's not dealing with the cops anymore right now, so that's why when the cops into the trailer, they are attacking and all, I'm not like, okay, they are attacking our guys and they have also El Professor. No, they don't have the Professor. El Professor is with the crazy girl and that's all. Who is pregnant, remember? That can be important at some point. That song, it's Mad World. To use Mad World for the trailer of... it's well done. Lisbon. You're gonna be so worried, Lisbon. You know that she's with him. You all know it. Your place, your safe place. The stormwater tank. The fact that I'm watching it normally with French subtitles and the original version, I can't know if already he was naming that place like that into the other seasons. We know El Professor. I think that during that Lister message conversation that he's gonna have with Lisbon, he's gonna give her clues, he's gonna give her information. So maybe that's one, you know, and I can't know it. Yes, I'm trying to reassure myself. Stop.
¿Es posible que esta sea la última vez que hable con vosotros?
Nope. No, that's not gonna be the last time that you're gonna talk to them. That you're gonna see them again. You're gonna live forever happy and in love with Lisbon. I have that theory. One of them is gonna die during the season. I'm pretty sure of it. We are used to lose people, you know, with La Casa de Papel. One of them is gonna die, and I think that it's gonna be El Professor. Because, you know, he's the main character, he's the leader, and he's the one who is preparing the robberies and all, who is planning them. To have them stopping, you know, the robberies, not doing any new robbery like that at the end, in a way, maybe the writers, they need to kill a professor for that. Do you understand my logic? I don't want that. For sure, I don't want that, and I want to be wrong with that theory. But I think that for the stories, the logic of the show, but also for the character on himself, with his story with Berlin, with his story with Lisbon and all, and for the development of his character, but also of the other ones, it would be tragic, dramatic, so sad. I'm gonna cry all of my all of my tears, all of my heart is gonna be in my tears. But that's one of my theories. But you're gonna see them again. You're not gonna die like that with her and all. I think that she can switch, or we can do something with her. I didn't give up on that. Palermo, I hope that you're gonna feel guilty during this season. I need that.
Capitán, voy a traer militares. ¿De los que son?
No, I don't want them to come out dead. No one needs to die. I know. I'm an optimist person. Say goodbye to her. No. They sold, you know, that season like that. Like, that's it. It's not just about robberies anymore. It's a real war. We're gonna end all of this story. We're gonna end everything with a war, a real war. And right there to show us all of these tanks, you know, all of these military things, to show us that the military is involved like that. It's really to amplify that. That's it. Now we are at war. We are not just cops against thieves. It's not just that anymore. Because also of the fact that during the last season they used all of the mediatic things that they could to have the population on their side, the public on their side and all. I said it, at some point they had them a lot, and at another point, you know, to attack that tank, you know, to kill these cops and all, they can lose the public with that by killing people. So I think that it's gonna be also a subject during this season. People are gonna be on their side, maybe not all of them. Do you understand what I mean? You're cute. I have some issues to appreciate you, Tokyo. During the last season, I had some moments I appreciated you. But you're cute together, and Rio, you have my heart. Okay, I want the two of you happy also at the end. Two of you with your kid also. The fact that you're not dead. Did he just do that for Nairobi? Right there. Oh! I'm gonna be mad. He's doing that right there for Nairobi. To mock her, you know, to mock her death. I'm gonna hate you even more during this season. He's a good villain. He's an amazing villain. I prefer him, you know, than the cops and all of that. Of course, the crazy lady is amazing also as a villain. So him is a fucking great villain. He's strong, he's clever and all. He's amazing. But I hate him. I love to hate him. Do you understand? Yes, Tokyo. That was for Nairobi. We're not gonna end up in the morgue. Yes, that's the plan. Tap. Who is... Ah! Marseille. It was Marseille, I think. You're in an helicopter, Marseille? Are you gonna search for some help? Are you... Oh, interesting. Don't call him fatty. No, girls. Together. Yes, that's it. You know, first part of this trailer we saw the cops, you know, the military preparing themselves for that war. Second part of this trailer we saw our guys preparing for that war, and that's it. We're ending the trailer with them having a battle, you know, beginning the war like that with guns and all. That's a war now between them, and at war people are dying on both sides. I'm not okay with that. With our guys killing people, and of course with our guys that can be killed. Palermo, it's you, right? No, Bogota, it was Bogota. Fire, explosion. Tokyo, you're crying? Tell me that you didn't lose anyone just before these tears? Denver, you're crying also, Denver. No! No, that's it, someone is dead, someone new is dead. They're both crying and they're preparing to fight, like, that's it, we're gonna fight for that person who just died. Okay, I'm going too far with my theory. Ah, that's it, now I'm stressed. You know, I was excited before this trailer, and they stressed me with it. That moment, right there, it's in Italy, no? Or it's France? If it's Italy, you know, it means that it's Berlin. If it's in France, we can suppose that it's Marseille on that boat. I think that it's Berlin. Who are you chasing? The car of who? Who is out? You know, out of the bank. Marseille? El Professor? What? What? Tokyo with who? Ah, the quality really on Twitter, it's awful. The things like that, it's making me think of Lisbon, the city, you know. It's Berlin. Berlin with who? Who are you? Do we know you? Maybe I'm missing something. Maybe I'm not remembering that person. Tell me in the comments. Ah, the girl in red who is playing piano, it's you, and it's you, Marseille, on that boat. And that's Berlin. Who is the guy with you, with all of this hair like that? The girl in red, it's Berlin's wife, if I'm remembering your face correctly. Berlin, Marseille, the wife. All of this hair. It's not Moscow. Moscow, he didn't have all of this hair, and it's not. It's someone new. We're gonna have someone new. I'm not reading, you know, stuff about the show and all. I'm trying to avoid spoilers. You know me, you know that I love to be surprised by shows that I'm watching. That's why I'm watching only trailers for seasons and not trailers for episodes. You know, like with shows like The Walking Dead and all, they love to make trailers for each episode. I'm not watching them. You're not supposed to have that occasion to warn me by something bad or good that you're gonna do with these trailers. So I'm not reading also stuff about the shows and all, so I don't know if we're gonna have new characters or not. I think that we are. That guy who was with Tokyo, that guy with Berlin, you know, embraced him, and that guy on that boat, it's not Palermo neither, you know, this hair like that. Who is giving himself to the military? Again? Oh, no one. It's okay, it's an explosion. I'm sorry. The message of that trailer, it's we are at war. That's pretty clear with how they made it, how they built that trailer. It's pretty clear that the main message is we are at war. First half of the trailer, cops and military are preparing for the war with tanks, with stuff like that. Second part of the trailer, our guys are preparing for war. The last seconds of the trailer, ping, pam, boom, bam, that's it, we are at war, explosions, guns, and I think people were dying. The fact that we had Denver and Tokyo crying like that just before taking the guns and shooting, for me, they are desperate, you know. It's almost like we are going for this world, we're desperate, we just lost someone. Maybe someone is not dead, but they lost hope. Ah, it's too much. I have too many theories and some of them are contradicting the other ones. I'm gonna watch it again, original version, without the subtitles, just to be sure that I saw the right persons at the right moment.
Capitán, voy a traer militares, de los que solo salen victoriosos o muertos.
Yes, yes. You're preparing for the war. Did I see that? The guy who is doing that, show your face? Why do I think that his face counts? That guy, you know, maybe they are with us? I think that these writers are playing with us with that moment. No? Like, look at him! Maybe they are on our side then. You know, these persons who are helping us. Ah! Ha 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 ha!
Estamos contra las cuerdas. Pero todavía no estamos muertos.
It was Marseille, I was right. The boat, I want to see the boat moment again. Okay, it's that. Berlin, his wife, Marseille, and another guy. Tokyo, I think that I was right. Tokyo? Oh, why do you seem familiar? I'm trying to imagine you with more hair or more big. You're not Rio for sure. Can't remember. You're really a new guy. That was just something exploding. Ah no, it was someone, I was right! Rio! I didn't see that. Rio, you're okay, you're okay, you're okay, you're okay. You're screaming because you're sad. You're not screaming because you're hurt. You're screaming because you're sad, you're mad. Oh, okay. They are leaving you to the military. You who killed Nairobi. Letting you alive, they are leaving you like that. In exchange of something, of someone. To give you like that back, it has to be for a plan. You know, in exchange of something. Okay, 3 times that I watched it, I think that it's gonna be enough. For you and for me, that's gonna be enough. I'm not sure that I need to make a review. I watched it 2 times, you know, and I made breaks during it to talk about it. We are at war. Really, main message of that trailer, we are at war. The cops and the military, they are preparing for war. We are preparing for war. We have a little of the battle at the end. About what we can expect for this season, I'm seeing them crying, screaming, Rio, Tokyo, Denver. Someone is dead or someone is hurt. Someone new than Nairobi. The fact that Rio was crying like that, screaming and crying at the same time, it felt like it was just after an explosion. I'm thinking about one of them hurt, killed during that explosion, I don't know. At the beginning, the fact that we had Palermo saying to Denver, you have to say goodbye to her, meaning to your girl, I really hope that it's not Monica. For sure. They're losing hope. You know, for the story it could be interesting for the writers to write it like that, and some shows and movies are written like that. The part 1, be prepared for it to be awful. Really, the part 1 is gonna be awful, we're gonna lose people and we're gonna lose hope. Everything is gonna go down, everything is gonna be sad, we're gonna be mad, we're gonna lose all of our hope during the part 1. Are you okay with that? Are you clear with that? A lot of shows and movies and good stories are written like that and are great because of that, because you are beginning with a situation, you are losing everything, you think that you can't win, and finally at the end you're winning and it's so great. Do you understand what I mean? To have that roller coaster of emotions and to play with the viewers with that, to do things right and well for this action movies, shows and all, you can't make our guys win all of the time and to have a good progression into your story. Writers that are doing that a lot, and I think that La Casa de Papel, they did that a lot in the past seasons, so I won't be surprised if it's the case right there. We're gonna lose a lot during this part 1 to win during the part 2. Yes, that's gonna be awful. For what is happening into the bank, I don't understand. We are at war, they're gonna fight. I think that these militaries at the beginning, they are with us, and we had people with us, you know, with all of the plan to release Lisbon and all. We had people working for us during that moment. It can be maybe these people or new people that we hired, like we hired the guys for the last season. Do you understand what I mean? These people, they were weird. I don't know why they seemed weird to me. Muscular like that. I didn't buy it. I think that there is something right there. And El Professor, we didn't see a lot of him. He's losing up also. We are at war, we're losing up. I'm an optimist person in general. Just know it. If you are discovering my channel with this video, just know that I'm an optimist. And I'm optimist, you know, by saying that, because I'm telling you that it's gonna happen like that for part 1 to win at the end in part 2. I'm optimist. That was great, that was so fucking great. Berlin, we are gonna have flashbacks with Berlin. Again! You're gonna make me cry like hell. Again! I think that Marseille is gonna be more important during this season than how important he was during the last one. He had really a little place into the last season. Maybe he's gonna be more important right there. He's out of the bank. He's the only one out of the bank, except for El Professor, that can help. And we are gonna have new friends. Tokyo, new friend. Berlin, new friend. The mask, I didn't see who is behind the mask. If you got that, tell me. If you have informations because you made researches, because you know who is gonna be into the casting and all, you read stuff about it, can you not tell me in the comments? Can you respect that? I told you I'm someone who doesn't like spoilers at all. I'm avoiding spoilers, I'm just watching trailers for seasons and that's all right there. That's the only thing that I'm gonna watch and see about this season before it's gonna be out. I'm not gonna search for any information, I'm not gonna watch anything else. I prefer to warn you, if there is another trailer, I'm not gonna make reaction videos about it because I'm not gonna watch it. I want to be surprised by shows that I'm watching. I hope that you can respect that and don't tell me big spoilers, you know, on the comments. That one about the guy behind the mask, if you know that, tell me, but the other ones, no. We're not gonna have flashback with Nairobi. They would have put one just right there if it would have been the case. I think that they're gonna talk a lot about it because they kept that guy, him mocking her death like that. I'm already mad because of it. I'm gonna try my best to not insult all of the mothers of the world when it's gonna happen. That's gonna be great. That's gonna be great because it's gonna be right 10. I really think so. They're gonna do it in a good way, but we're gonna suffer. Prepare yourself to suffer like I'm preparing myself to suffer for what I saw during this trailer and for how I imagine that they can write that final season so they can write that part 1. We're gonna suffer. Are you okay with that conclusion of my video? Are you sharing the same thought about it? Tell me. Again, I think that I'm gonna be forced to cut into my reaction because of YouTube. If you want to have everything about it, go check my Patreon and I will see you now for the season 5. Just to warn you, when the part 1 of the season 5 is gonna be out, it's gonna be out at the beginning of September, something like that. I'm gonna let 1 week so everyone can watch it on his own. I'm making reaction videos, I'm not a streaming way to watch the show, remember? After that, I'm gonna put all of the reaction videos on my Patreon and The week after that, I'm gonna put all of my reaction videos on YouTube. On Patreon, I'm gonna put extended or full reaction part. I think that I'm gonna go with full reaction part because really, like Casa de Papel, I'm reacting too much. So remember, when it's gonna be out, 1 week after that, you're gonna have the reaction videos on Patreon. 2 weeks after, you're gonna have the reaction videos on YouTube. I already know that a lot of you are gonna ask me for them on each videos, on each comment, and I'm gonna be forced to repeat myself again, but maybe some of you are gonna be warned with that video. Could be great. Okay, so it's all for me and for you for today, and it's all for me for now, so bye for now. Bye.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Hey.